Morning, one and all. Myself is Mr. Durga Prasad, so Associate Professor of History Department in our college. So already we've seen a discussion about syllabus of digital image processing, and there onwards fundamental steps involved in digital image processing, followed by components involved in digital image processing. Now I want to discuss about relation between any two pixels in any digital image. So before going to discuss about relation between any two pixels, so what is the pixel? Simply pixel means image element or picture element, so called PEL. So finally it is having different names like PEL, image element, pixel element, normally call it as pixel. Now the relation between pixel means about the resolution. Resolution means just a number of pixels in a row by number of pixels in a column. Suppose the resolution of any image will be 28 by 32. 28 by 32 means 28 pixels in a row and 32 pixels in a column. So that's why normally call it as the resolution of any pixel. So for that pixels of any image, so it is having some relations in between any two pixels. So that's why first one is neighbors of pixel. Neighbors of pixel means suppose if there is any 9 pixels in any image. 9 pixels in any image means middle pixel is said to be reference pixel, and it may be 1 by 1, or it may be 3 by 3, or it may be 5 by 5, it may be some other. So the order of the image should be odd manner because we should maintain some reference pixel. If the resolution is 1 by 1, the size is 1 by 1 and number of pixels is 1 only. If the size of the resolution or the size of the image is 3 by 3, 3 pixels in a row, 3 pixels in a column, total 9 pixels. The middle pixel is said to be reference pixel. So that's why, so along the row wise or along column wise, row wise means along x-axis, column wise means along y-axis. Next, neighbors of any pixel. Let us consider f of 1 comma 1 is a neighboring pixel. So this is some function, input function for any given image. So number of pixels having starts from 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 and so on. Next, first row 1, 0, 1, 1 and so on. 2, 0, 2, 1 and so on. In column wise 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. Likewise, this is general image format with respect to its pixel function. Now for the neighboring of the pixels, let us consider f of 1 comma 1 is the neighboring reference pixel. So for this particular reference pixel, it is having two neighboring pixels with respect to row wise 1, 0, 1, 2. So in yellow color, so these two are row neighbors, and 0, 1, 2, 1. These two are column neighbors for f of 1 comma 1, which acts as reference pixel. So finally, four neighboring pixels along row and column. So let it be x plus 1 y, x minus 1 y, x comma y plus 1, x comma y minus 1. So that means along x-axis, x should be increment and decrement. X plus 1, x minus 1, y remains constant because of row wise increment and decrement. Next one, along column wise, y plus 1, y minus 1, x remains constant. So these four pixels are said to be four neighbors of reference pixel P. So here f of 1 comma 1 is said to be P. What about reference pixel? Then four neighboring pixels are N4 of P, where N is neighbors, 4 represent four neighbors, P represent reference pixel. So that should be N4 of P. Next, again for any reference pixel f of 1 comma 1, these four yellow color pixels are acts as neighboring pixels of that reference pixel. So in previous case, 4 neighboring pixels along column, along row. 2 pixels along row, 2 pixels along column, 4 neighboring pixels. But in this case, 4 neighboring pixels with respect to its diagonal. So 0, 2, 2, 0 and 0, 0, 2, 2. These 4 are diagonal neighboring pixels is said to be ND of P. So that means N is neighbor, D is diagonal, where P is reference pixel. Now I want to say this as x plus 1, y plus 1, x plus 1, y minus 1, x minus 1, y plus 1, x minus 1, y minus 1. So that means x and y should be either increment or decrement, but not remains constant. If it is remains constant means it may be either x constant or y constant, but there is no constant. It is always variable because of diagonal. It may be increment or it may be decrement. So total neighboring pixels are said to be N8 of P. This is the representation. For any reference pixel, there exist 8 neighboring pixels. So 4 neighboring pixels with respect to row and column and 4 neighboring pixels with respect to diagonal. So simply we can frame this as N8 of P. So next, second relation in between two pixels is adjacency and connectivity. So before going to discuss about adjacency and connectivity, so which is also interconnection with neighboring pixels, because neighbors, adjacent, connection, so all are going to be a single format or same group, so homogeneous group. So that means let us consider two pixels are adjacent. So how can say those two pixels are adjacent? So for example, v is equal to 1, v is equal to 0, 2. So then the binary image is 0, 1. So 0, 1 is the image belongs to these two. Then the grayscale pixels. So 0 to 255 are the number of pixels. So here 0 to 255 are said to be 256 pixels. So which includes from black to white. So black pixel indicates 0. And 255 indicates white.